Hi all. Today I'm going to take a seminar on the topic Advancements in Intelligent Sensors from Sensing to Smart Decision Making under the proper guidance of Dr. Arun P., Head of the Department, Associate Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, St. Joseph College of Engineering and Technology, Palai. Myself, Sharat PV. So let me move on to the table of contents. The table of contents comprises of introduction, history, block diagram of intelligent sensors, technologies, types, different applications, their advantages, disadvantages, different research perspectives, the compatibility with the microcontrollers, communication protocols, security concerns, regular standards, interoperability, future scopes, conclusion, and finally the references. So let me move to the introduction. We are already been familiarized with the senses. Let me discuss about the basic difference between a sensor and an intelligent sensor. Normally the sensors only just senses the data, but in case of intelligent sensors it not only senses the data but also measures the physical quantities and process and transmit data intelligently. Okay, intelligent sensors are smart sensors and it combines of a sensing element and a signal processor on a single IC. Actually it is like an embedded system because they can think and make decisions themselves. They can collect, process and analyze data from the physical environment and do not need any external intervention. We can move to the history of the intelligent sensors. Here from 1970s, the first smart sensor was developed for the military applications. Later in 1980s, there was a significant increase in development of intelligent sensors due to advances in the microelectronic and computer technology. Later 1990s, there was a great change in the field of intelligent sensors due to the emergence of Internet of Things. It had accelerated the development of intelligent sensors. In 2000s, development of nanosensors, biosensors and quantum sensors had occurred. In 2010s, there was a great advancements in artificial intelligence which enabled the development of intelligent sensors that can learn and adapt. In 2015, the first commercial quantum sensor is developed. In 2015, there was a first intelligent sensor was used in medical diagnosis application too. In 2016, the first intelligent sensors was used in the transport application, and it was used in environmental monitoring application and also for defense application. Later in 2017, there was a significant increase in the development of nanosensors, biosensors and quantum sensors. In 2018, artificial intelligence, due to the arrival of the artificial intelligence, there was a great development in the field of intelligent sensors. The first intelligent sensor was used in self-driving car and smartphone in 2018 too. Next, in 2019, 5G wireless technology. We know that now we are living in a 5G generation. There was a significant development of intelligent sensors due to the emergence of the 5G wireless technology. In 2020s, the COVID-19 pandemic was accelerated. We know that had it had a great it leads to a worst condition of the world in 2020 or the end of the 2019, and there was lockdowns like that, and people's were the death rate were increasing day by day, and all were feared to get out of the home, and no one was get rid of that. So intelligent sensors had played a significant role in the diagnosis and for the treatment of the COVID-19 pandemic. Intelligence sensors were used to detect and track the spread of the virus, develop new treatment for the virus. Now we had already overcome such situations, and we had fight against that coronavirus, and we are in a present situation which is almost free from the coronavirus. In 2021, there was a significant increase in the development of wearable intelligent sensors. Wearable intelligent sensors are used to monitor health and fitness to improve athletic performance. In 2022, intelligent sensors are used to create a more sustainable future, monitor energy consumption, and optimize the transportation system. Later in 2023, and that means that present nowadays, intelligent sensors are used to make our lives better. Can we think about that? Because from the development of basic sensors to now we are in a world or in a situation such that the sensors are going to make our life better. It is beyond the beyond we can imagine. Okay, this is a brief history of or about the intelligent sensors. Let me move to the block diagram of intelligent sensors. The first block comprises of the sensing unit. That means the sensing unit detects changes in physical parameters and generates electrical signals equivalent to it. Then the signal conditioning unit controls the signal to meet the necessities of next level operations without losing data. Analog to digital conversion. At here, it converts the signal from analog to digital format and send it to the microprocessor. Then local user interface. It is a panel mounted device used to allow building operators to monitor and control system equipment. Then application algorithm, that the microprocessor is being comprised. The signals from intelligent sensors or smart sensors reach here and process the received data based on the application program previously loaded here and generate output signals. Then memory, it is used to store media for saving received and processed data. Then the final communication unit, the output signals from application algorithm or microprocessor are transmitted to the main station through the communication unit. This unit also gets command requirements from the key station to execute a specific task. This all about the explanation of the basic block diagram of the intelligent sensors. Intelligent sensors or smart sensor, this term will be used by me throughout this presentation because both are same. Next, different technologies that are being related to the intelligent sensors or advancements in the intelligent sensors are embedded processors. That means small computer chips. They are small computer chips inside sensors that allow them to think and make decisions on their own. We know that embedded system has the capability to make their own decisions. It is designed for a particular operation. For example, if we take the daily commonly used washing machine, it is only made or developed for a particular operation. But if we take a watch a common example, if we take our system, our laptop, it had multiple functions and it can perform different functions. But a embedded processor or embedded device, it is specifically for designed for a particular function only. Next, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Smart algorithms that help sensors recognize patterns, detect problems, and even predict future events. Artificial intelligence and machine learning has a great significance. It had been mainly identified, or it had been mainly come into play in 2018. We had already discussed in the his slide of history, that means timeline. Next one is the edge computing. It is a main technology, that means edge computing had a immense significance because after getting the data by the sensors, intelligent sensors can make their own decisions by this edge computing technology. That means without sending the data to the base station for making a device, it can make the decision at that system itself. It is a way for sensors to do their thinking right where they are, without always needing to talk to a bigger computer somewhere else. That means the base stations are, as mentioned above. Then connectivity technologies like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, no need to explain it more. Energy efficiency solutions, tricks and techniques to help sensors use less power so they can work for a long time without needing new batteries. Then sensor fusion, combining information from different sensors like camera and radar to get a more complete picture of what's happening. The sensor fusion means there will be from the name itself we could understand that sensor fusion means the fusion of different sensors. That means there will be different sensors, and if any one of a sensor is not functional, it can be overcome by the function of the other sensors, and we could get a clear vivid picture, or what about clear image. Next we are moving to different types of intelligent sensors or smart sensors. In case of industrial sensors, there are pressure sensor example. One or two examples have been mentioned here. There are a lot of examples. We are only selected for some examples: pressure sensor, temperature sensor, flow sensors. Their manufacturer, model, type, package, pin numbers, voltage rating, current rating, frequency of operation, their cost, etc. are being mentioned throughout next upcoming 3-4 slides too. Here we had mentioned or tabularized the different industrial sensors. Next, environmental sensors such as temperature sensor to monitor the temperature, air quality sensor, and their manufacturer, model, type, package, pin numbers, voltage rating, current rating, etc. all are being mentioned in this table, or being categorized in this table. Then motion and position sensors such as accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetometer, etc. And healthcare sensors, very important sensors such as heart rate sensors, blood pressure sensor, blood oxygen sensors. You know that intelligent sensors had a great importance in the field of health, because they are actually a inevitable part of them, and they are used for the detection or diagnosing of several diseases, and several researches are been continuing in this field 2. Next, biometric sensors such as fingerprint sensor, then smart home sensors, motion sensor, door and window sensor, temperature sensor, then IoT sensor. We had already mentioned about the significance of IoT and the role IoT played in the field of intelligent sensors. Actually, the intelligent sensors was being developed due to the emergence of the IoT. IoT is the what we can say, it is the heart of the intelligent sensors. The intelligent sensors is completely unsuccessful with the work without the IoT. IoT, due to the Industrial Revolution 4.0, had made a great significance, inevitable impact on the case of smart sensors. Next, we can move to the different applications of intelligent sensors, such as industrial automation used in manufacturing plants and factories to monitor and control processes, ensuring efficiency and quality. Then predictive maintenance, in industrial settings, sensors can predict when machines and equipments need maintenance, reducing downtime and cost due to some defects in the prediction. There may be malfunctioning of some devices in industries, and which lead to the watch stopping of the works. It can be avoided by using the different intelligent sensors related to that. And it is also hard application in the quality control. It ensures the quality of the products by monitoring and analyzing data during the production processes. Quality is very important, and it cannot be compromised. And environmental monitoring, it measures the quality of air, water, pollution levels, climate conditions. We know that different natural calamities have been occurring day by day, and intelligent sensors are been playing a critical role in the early diagnosis or early prediction of this. So in environmental monitoring, it had a great significance. Then smart cities, it enables traffic management, waste management, and energy optimization in urban areas, making cities more efficient and sustainable. Then healthcare applications, we had already discussed about that already. Autonomous vehicles provide crucial data for self-driving cars, including obstacle detection, navigation, and adaptive cruise control. Then in the field of agriculture, also in different fields, it had different applications. Beyond that listed here, there are huge or wide variety of applications for them. It cannot be incorporated in a slide. We could not. So we are only incorporated some examples. Then energy management monitors and controls energy consumption in buildings, reducing energy waste and cost. Then we move to the advantages of intelligent sensors. One of the main advantages is the energy efficiency. Intelligent sensors can be used to monitor energy consumption and identify areas where energy can be saved. Here an example is given. In commercial buildings, intelligent sensors can monitor the occupancy of each room and adjust the temperature accordingly. This can save a significant amount of energy on heating and cooling cost. The energy is very precious like water. So it must be preserved, or it must be saved. So due to this intelligent sensors, we can save more energy which is been losing, and it can be used to control energy consuming devices too. That for example, if you take intelligent thermostats, can be used to adjust the temperature of a home based on occupancy and schedule. This can help to reduce energy consumption and save money on energy bills. Then about the security, intelligent sensors can be used to detect intruders and trigger alarms. For example, intelligent motion sensors can be used to detect intruders in a home or office. This can help to detect crime and protect people and property. Intelligent sensors can be used to monitor access to restricted areas. For example, intelligent keycard readers can be used to control access to doors and other entry points. This can help to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive areas. So there are many advantages we could see from here, and it is continuing. Intelligent sensors can be used to improve safety. One of the safety methods to, for example, intelligent smoke detectors can be used to detect smoke and trigger fire alarms. Then it can be used to improve quality control in manufacturing. Used to, for example, it can be used to inspect the products for the defects, and it can be used to improve customer service, track customer movements in a store, and provide personalized recommendations too. Even though there are different advantages, there are also some disadvantages for intelligent sensors. In many of the cases, the main disadvantage is the cost itself. As here, to cost is one of the main concerns in case of intelligent sensors. That example, for a normal or basic temperature sensor can cost around only just $1, but about a intelligent sensors, as it comprises of different it is like an embedded system now, so the cost will be definitely increased due to the components that are being incorporated. So a intelligent sensors can cost around $10. It is an average estimate, or it is a basic, we are just based on a assumption. That means the cost may be like this. And another one of the main disadvantages is power consumption. It can consume significantly more power than traditional sensors. An example is being given at here. A traditional accelerometer can consume around 10 milliwatt, but a intelligent accelerometer can consume around 100 milliwatts. Then the complexity, of course it will be complex, no doubt. For example, a basic temperature sensor may contain only 2 or 3 wires, but intelligent sensors, they need to install software and configure some settings. It is really complex. Coming to security too, it is vulnerable to cyber attacks. Privacy, it can collect and transmit sensitive data. So intelligent camera could be used to collect and transmit video footage of people without their consent. These are all the privacy security issues or concerns that need to be taken. Some we had discussed about the disadvantages too. Next, moving to the research perspective. Research perspectives such as new sensor materials and technologies that can improve the sensitivity, selectivity and accuracy of intelligent sensors are being developing. Data fusion and machine learning. Researchers are developing new data fusion and machine learning algorithms to help intelligent sensors process and analyze data more effectively. Then sensor networks, developing new sensor networks technologies to enable intelligent sensors to communicate with each other and share data are being developing. Security and privacy, researchers are developing new security and privacy technologies to protect intelligent sensors from cyber attacks. Next, the research institutes and organizations that are being related to the intelligent sensors are Mascot's Institutes of Technology, MIT, Stanford University, University of California, Berkeley, Georgia Institute of Technology, Fraunhofer Institute of Microelectronics System, MS, European Commission, Japanese National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology (AST). These are some research institutes and organization. Next, we could discuss about the compatibility with microcontrollers. We all know that not all intelligent sensors are compatible with all microcontrollers. Some of the examples of intelligent sensors that are compatible with the very famous microcontrollers such as Arduino, Raspberry Pi, ESP3210, STM32, RMPU6050, ADXL 3453, CS34725, TF03QRE1113. These are some of the intelligent sensors that are compatible with the famous microcontrollers or common microcontrollers. And about the communication protocols, mainly I2C and SPA, that inter-integrated circuit serial peripheral communication, serial peripheral interface are the basic communication protocols used in intelligent sensors such as BMA680, SHT31, BMP280, LSM30380, TMD2772, etc. Security concerns, eavesdropping, man-in-the-middle attacks, replay attacks. Eavesdropping means the attackers can eavesdrop on the communication between intelligence sensors and microcontrollers to steal data. Man-in-middle attackers can insert themselves into the communication between intelligence sensors and microcontrollers to intercept and modify data. Replay attackers can replay captured data from intelligence sensors to deceive microcontrollers. These are the main security concerns. And the regulation standards such as FTA regulations, CE marking, ROHS directive have been mentioned here. Then the Interoperability Open Connectivity Foundation of CF standards, organizations that develop open specifications for IoT devices. The OCF specification includes a communication protocol that allows intelligent sensors from different manufacturers to communicate with each other. And OCF is supported by a wide range of companies including Intel, Samsung and Qualcomm. Then COAP, Constrained Application Protocol. It is a lightweight protocol that is designed for use in resource constrained devices such as intelligent sensors. It is based on HTTP, but it is more efficient and uses less power. COAP is supported by a number of different companies including ARM, Cisco and Google. Then the future scopes such as energy efficiency, multi-sensor fusion, environmental monitoring, IoT and Industry 4.0, edge computing, 5G connectivity. This all have been discussed here, and all these fields there have been developments are been or researches are been continuing, and we could expect a good intelligent sensors with solving all the defects, and what we can say that a well equipped and a reliable one we can expect it. Next, moving to 5G connectivity, the network speed will be increased and it will lead to a more accurate and precise and faster data transmission, and the result will be very fast. This all technologies will be greatly enhancing the capabilities and what we say all things of the intelligent sensors. Next, security and surveillance, space exploration and remote sensing. We had made great significance in space exploration. One of your last example is the Chandrayaan 3, which was been successfully landed, which was India has the first nation to successfully land in the southern, that means soft landing in the southern part of the moon. It had a great significant impact. Then smart cities, we had already discussed about intelligent sensors will be used for traffic management, waste management, environmental monitoring and public safety, that all. Then moving on to the conclusion. Topic: advancements in intelligent sensors from sensing to smart decision making. It had shown how sensors have evolved from passive data collectors to smart decision makers. They had played a crucial role in industries such as manufacturing, smart cities and healthcare. Even though they had numerous benefits, they also have challenges like data security and energy efficiency. Looking ahead, smart sensors hold immense potential to shape a smarter, more efficient, and sustainable future. By concluding this, we could say that intelligent sensors is one of the inevitable and the most what what is needed, but a needy thing that is been invented by man or modified by man from a sensor, and now it had reached its intelligent sensors, and it is been developing day by day. So there will be great significant changes, and there will be new technologies in this field of intelligent sensors. And by using all these technologies, it will create a well sustained world, and all decision making so all will be more accurate and in a good manner. Okay, these are the references that I had been used for this presentations, and references. These all are the references. So, thank you.